Selling multiple products on Amazon? Here's a crucial update you need to know. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Are you selling multiple products on Amazon like these yummy Hershey chocolate bars? If so, Amazon did release some new information that you need to know, especially if you're planning on launching multiple items in the future. To meet product quality standards during the warm summer months, we won't be accepting multiple inventory at our fulfillment centers between April 15th and October 15th. So you just need to be aware of these. This may be causing some issues, especially in 2024, 2025, 2026. Just be aware of these dates when this comes. So you can see it also happened in the last 8 months. Request to remove Meltable FBA inventory. So again, they did another announcement. This isn't the only announcement. This is pissing people off. And Meltable refers to all heat-sensitive products, such as chocolate, gummies, and select jelly and wax-based products. So they're pretty much going to remove your item if you have multiple items in Amazon, and it is not fun. And your product needs to be able to be stored at a maximum temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you sell chocolate or anything meltable, Amazon just doesn't want it from April 15th to October 15th. Now you can get around this by filing an exemption, and I'm going to explain how to do that as well. So here's Amazon's actual policy right here, right? It only accepts multiple items from these dates, but if you believe your product should be exempt from the multiple category, send a letter from the manufacturer to selling partner support. The letter must be written on manufacturer letterhead and must include the following information. So pretty much that's not too difficult to do. And by a letter, I mean a PDF, just a virtual PDF. Then you contact Amazon seller support, reference this, take a screenshot of this, then you provide the letter in PDF format, make sure it's not editable, aka you can't really highlight anything on there, then they'll think it's authentic, and it should be authentic, and then you're gonna send that to Amazon, and then they will let you have multiple inventory. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if a lot of people do this, but this is a loophole to get around it. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new in today's video, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Also, if you need any help on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description below. And you can check out our #1 service, which is full account management. We're going to go into your account. If any items need exemptions like this one, we're going to be doing it for you. We contact Amazon for you. We look at all your products, all of your account health, and we create a phase plan on how to increase your sales on Amazon. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.